Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today, learn a complete assembly of ball bearing. At first, ball bearing is divided by three parts: part 1, part 2 and part 3. First part is a outer part, and second part is inner part, and third part is case of ball bearing and ball. At first, today learn a outer part of ball bearing. So this diagram is shown, see here, and I create this diagram. So this 2D geometry, first is front view, this is side view, and this product is isometric view, and this final product is ball bearing. So this is outer part, and this outer part, inner part, and case of ball bearing, and this is a ball. So today I draw a outer part of ball bearing 2D. Then I see at first select a SolidWorks. Then at first select a plane. Plane is front plane, and draw a line, center line. Okay, and select a center rectangle, and I draw a center rectangle. Okay, then dimension is at first 31 and 53, inner distance between two line 53 and distance between two line 65. Then mention dimension is 31, and all dimension is mm. At first select is millimeter. Then okay, 31, and this distance between two line is 53, and this distance between two line is 65. Okay, 65. Okay, and draw a center line, and this midpoint and this center point. Okay, and plane is vertical. Okay, and select a center point arc. Okay, and this point create a arc. Okay, mention dimension, this point and this point is 8 mm, and this arc point 12 radius. This half circle, this radius is 12, and this distance between 2 point is 8 millimeter. Then okay, all dimension is mentioned here: 8 mm, 12 radius, 31, and this is a fillet. All is complete. Okay, and select feature and revolve boss base. Okay, and this line, center line, is select here, and select revolve boss base. Okay, missing point. Then I select okay, some use trim point, and trim is this point and this point cut here, and this distance and this distance is equal. Okay, okay, this is perfect. All dimension is perfect. Again, select feature, revolve boss base, and select this center line. Click here. Okay, and select OK, and this white, plain white, and cartoon apply here. Okay, this is a outer part of ball bearing. And fillet is 2.1. okay, fillet is 2.1 mm, and this face select and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. This is a perfect apply appearance. Appearance is okay. Okay, okay, not better. This is a perfect. And cartoon remove here, and this is a perfect. So this is the outer part of ball bearing is ready, and select. Okay guys, thank you.